Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between dividend yield and dividend payout ratio. Both are important dividend-related measures used by investors, but they serve different purposes. Dividend yield focuses on the return an investor receives from dividends relative to the stock price, whereas dividend payout ratio focuses on the percentage of company earnings distributed as dividends. Let's explore the major differences one by one. Number 1. Dividend yield indicates the annual dividend income relative to the current market price of a stock, whereas dividend payout ratio indicates the percentage of earnings paid out to shareholders as dividends. Number 2. Dividend yield is calculated by dividing annual dividend per share by market price per share and multiplying by 100, whereas dividend payout ratio is calculated by dividing total dividends by net income and multiplying by 100. Number 3. Dividend yield is related to the stock's market price and dividend per share, whereas dividend payout ratio is related to the company's earnings and total dividends paid. Number 4. Dividend yield is a market-based measure viewed from an investor's perspective, whereas dividend payout ratio is a company-based measure viewed from a financial management perspective. Number 5. Dividend yield shows the return an investor earns from dividends based on the current stock price, whereas dividend payout ratio shows the portion of company profits distributed to shareholders. Number 6. Dividend yield is commonly used by income-seeking investors to compare stocks, whereas dividend payout ratio is used by analysts and investors to evaluate dividend sustainability. Number 7. Dividend yield indicates the attractiveness of a stock for dividend income, whereas dividend payout ratio indicates the company's dividend policy and earnings distribution strategy. Number 8. Dividend yield can change daily due to fluctuations in stock prices, whereas dividend payout ratio usually changes only when earnings or dividend policies change. Number 9. Dividend yield is influenced by market price movements, dividend amounts, and investor sentiment, whereas dividend payout ratio is influenced by net income, dividend decisions, and company policy. Number 10. A high dividend yield generally means higher dividend income relative to stock price, whereas a high dividend payout ratio means the company distributes a larger share of its earnings as dividends. Number 11. A low dividend yield may indicate lower dividend income or a higher stock valuation, whereas a low dividend payout ratio may indicate that the company retains more earnings for future growth. Number 12. Dividend yield is more sensitive to short-term market conditions, whereas dividend payout ratio reflects the company's longer-term financial strategy. Number 13. Dividend yield can exist independently of company profitability if dividends continue to be paid, whereas dividend payout ratio is directly dependent on the company's earnings and profitability. Number 14. A high dividend yield can sometimes result from a falling stock price rather than strong dividend performance, whereas a high dividend payout ratio may signal potential sustainability concerns if earnings decline. Number 15. Dividend yield is best used for comparing income potential among different stocks, whereas dividend payout ratio is best used for evaluating dividend sustainability and overall financial health. To summarize, dividend yield helps investors understand how much dividend income they receive relative to the stock price, whereas dividend payout ratio helps investors understand how much of a company's earnings are being distributed as dividends. Both measures are valuable and should be analyzed together for better investment decisions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.